Hi everybody, Tom Rees from Espace Real Estate here, and I'm really super excited to show you this property in Dubai Marina. This property is super unique, and it's a 4-bedroom, 5,500 square feet duplex penthouse. It's at the very top floor of Cayenne Tower and has panoramic views of the Marina, the Palm and Blue Waters Island. As we come this way, we are here at the entrance where you have this huge, grand opening ceiling with a stunning light fixture. The work on this amazing property was carried out by RBIC Home, a renovation company known for its work on luxury apartments and villas across Dubai. Let's start with the kitchen, which is all custom made in Italy and shipped here, all completely made to measure to fit the space. So the appliances we have are Bosch and Siemens, so high-spec German appliances, all included with the property. And there's a few clever little things within this kitchen that it's worth having a look at. So for example, the use of space that the owner's done here to allow extra storage. You'll see all of the lighting everywhere inside all of the cupboards and here in this tinted glass. And of course, a beautiful addition with the huge wine chiller. Fridge freezer is concealed here. Now, Cayenne Tower is known for its really unique design, the twist that it has. So that's still incorporated within this apartment. You can see like the pillars here, still here on show. Gives a really nice character and feel to the unit. As we go through to the main living area, I want to talk about this flooring. So this is all real marble, which has been again imported from Italy. They even used it to clad the floating staircase here. Really nice and something unique that you don't often see. This space here is filled with light all around. You have floor to ceiling windows, and this would be your main living / dining area. Yet to have the furniture delivered, but there's a lot of potential of what you can do with this space. Now, if you just follow me around here, this is a nice cozy little area that you have at the back of the living space where you would have the TV. Let's get into the exciting stuff. So in here, we have the spa room. You really just don't see that often. So it's not only like a downstairs shower room, but if you head to the back there, you'll see a jacuzzi ready to go, just recently installed. And from up here, the views are absolutely stunning. As I said, it's the very top floor of Cayenne Tower. So now we're gonna go and have a look at this huge balcony, which wraps all the way around the apartment and gives you some of the best views you can get of Dubai. It's certainly not for the faint-hearted up here. It's the 73rd floor and it is super high. But even on a summer day like today, the views are absolutely exceptional. You really are on top of the world here, like completely unobstructed views directly down the Marina, and then to the right where we have the sea view and Blue Waters Island. So there's a lot of striking things about this apartment, as you can see. However, for me, the most striking thing is the staircase. It's all made of the solid Italian marble and is floating. Each step has its own LED lighting to add to that effect and make it stand out even more. So upstairs, as mentioned, we have 4 ensuite bedrooms plus the cinema room. Where better place to start than the master bedroom, which again is something that I think will really blow you away. So what we've got here is a really big open space. Not only do you have windows all around the side, you also have windows going into the master bathroom. Here is where you would obviously put your bed. Through here we've got a really spacious bathroom with a huge rainfall shower coming from here. So that's one of the bedrooms. Each one of them is very unique in its own right, with different styled bathroom and different tiles. So before we enter this one, you can see here you have this exposed light fixture and the windows which bring a lot of light to the upper floor. And again, this one here, I think the most important thing and standout thing about this apartment is the light that you get everywhere. And of course the exposed beams, giving that full character of the building. And again in here, the rainfall shower is another feature of this bathroom. So before we get to the other bedrooms, I want to show you the cinema room. Now, it's very rare you see something like this in a property in Dubai, so come and take a look at this. This room is fully soundproofed and is a darker colour to give a really nice cinema feel. Projector will be installed and they will be installing cinema seats. Over here we have the not so exciting but very important storage room, which is pretty spacious. And then I will take you to see the remaining bedrooms. So here, the bathroom, they've gone for a slightly darker theme in this one. But again, you've still got the walk-in shower, vanity unit and rainfall shower. And then in here, this room is amazing direct views straight down the Marina. And then here we have the fourth and final bedroom. Again, with this you have the deep Marina view. And then this shower is pretty cool because you actually have one of the exposed beams in the shower with you. This property has its own private elevator and is on its own private floor. Unlike any apartment that I know of in Dubai, this is completely unique to this one. You come in the car park, you walk into your own elevator that only you use, only you have the key to this, and it takes you directly up to this floor, where on this floor, there's only this apartment. It's custom built, it's made to a specific design, and there's nothing else like it on the market. There's only one apartment like this. There's only one apartment that's been built to this specification. So if you're looking for something that's truly exclusive and truly yours, this could be a really good option.